My daughter and I were out and about the other day and had a chance to do some thrifting. We were about an hour away in a small town called Kane, Pennsylvania. We actually got to go to 2 different stores. The first being Goodwill, and the other was a little church thrift store called Resold, and it's run by the First United Methodist Church of Kane. And that's where I got that second pile on the right. My plan for this video is to go through and tell you about each piece, tell you how much I paid for it, and then show you how I decided to style it in my home. For all these pieces, with the exception of the bird feeder, I pretty much just took the sticker off, gave it a quick wipe down, and then put it somewhere in my house. These first items are some Revereware pans that I got from the Goodwill. The first one cost $2.99. This one was $3.99. Has a little bit of discoloring on the inside and a bunch of stuff burnt on the bottom, which I figured I could probably scrub off. Those 2 had lids, and then there was this larger pot, didn't have a lid, and it was $2.99, and the bottom needs a good scrubbing as well. I try a few different things to get the bottoms clean. Here I thought I would start off with this Barkeeper's Friend and a copper scrubber. It got the inside cleaned really well because that stuff was really superficial, but I had to scrub quite a bit on the bottom of that second pan, and even at that it just sort of took the top off, so I had to get my real elbow grease. I asked Dennis to come in, and he had a thought to use this spray 9 on it. He said he used it on a stove once in a rental property, and it cleaned it really well. I think it helped some, but then he ended up using this really fine 600 grit sandpaper in the end to get it really sparkly clean. And it is pitted some, so it didn't come all the way clean, but definitely pleased. This is everything that we got at the little church thrift store. It was such a great store. First thing is this bald eagle. We got this for my son, and it was 10 cents. My daughter likes to collect these little teapots, so she picked that up for herself. It was on the quarter cupboard. This was a quarter. Cute little brass candlestick holder. A little peeler grater. I probably won't actually use it, but just use it as decor. This rolly wheel cutter, I guess to cut noodles, maybe lasagna noodles. That green handle is why I bought it. I like anything with wood handles, and so this next piece also has a wood handle, a little melon baller. So pretty when it sticks out of a crock or something similar, just laying beside something. And then my daughter wanted this little melon baller. She likes to make smoothies, and she thought she could put little fruit scoops in her smoothies. This was only $1. We have one Hummingbird Feeder, and I wanted another one, so I thought for $1. It was missing the top, so I'll have to do something to fix that. So pretty much just taking the sticker off, and this is the most involved project. Took the sticker off, wiped it down, and then I looked around for like a finial off the top of like a lamp or something, but I didn't have anything like that. So I have these little caps that I bought for something, and that's just the right size to screw on there so that when I tie on my string, it doesn't just end up sliding off. I have this twine that I just tie each end on the top. Then outside, hang it up. It's right outside the kitchen window so that, see the hummingbird, it's so hard to see because of the tree, but you can see it. So excited. Next, I bought 2 Crocs. They were kind of hidden down underneath this table, but I saw them. They're slightly different colors from each other. One's more of a tan and one's more white. They aren't perfect. They do have cracks, but they were only $2. I wasn't leaving them behind. Didn't see any kind of stamps or engravings, anything like that. This is a little bit lighter one. It has more chips and dirt in it, but again, I don't. Here's what I decided to do with this. Take the sticker off, wipe it out, and then I am obsessed with this layered look that everyone is doing lately. So I just decided to take this old wire basket. It's probably from Walmart. It had a white liner in it that's now stained and dirty. So I just put the crock inside, some greenery, and some books. And I love it. Here's the other one, so the lighter one. Again, take the sticker out, wipe it out a little bit. And then, since I know this is not going to hold water, I have this plastic liner, set it in there, put the spider plant in there, which finally has a little baby! There it is, on top of my newly painted hutch. Go watch that video. And here, to do sort of a double layered look, I put them in a basket that I put a handle on. I have a video on that. And I just love how this turned out as well. Both Crocs, one elevated on a riser, and those wooden handled things sticking out of the Croc. This is a bottle capper, and I don't know, maybe we'll get into making root beer or something, but here it is, styled on top of my Hoosier in the kitchen. Pampered Chef Stoneware tray, and I only paid $3 for it. That in and of itself paid for this whole haul. I didn't even see this at the store. My daughter said, "Mommy, did you see this? What is it?" And I fell in love with it. It is so cute. A little lunch pail the lid comes off, and then there's the second part, and I thought maybe it should have like utensils or a cup or something, but it doesn't, and that doesn't matter. I don't care. It's just adorable the way it is, and I'm just gonna toss some greenery in it. Take the sticker off. Guess what? Wipe it down. Kind of put the lid in it like crooked sideways. Add some greenery. We're just pulling apart that greenery that we love so much. Nope, too much. Here's those wooden handled things. Maybe hang that on the side. That's it. Thanks for watching.